Good morning, grade 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your home. Class, today we will start our block 24, that is water stagnation. Okay? Today we will discuss our two topics, our first topic and our second topic both. Okay? Our first topic is places of water stagnation. Okay? And our second topic is effects of stagnated water. Clear? Now, firstly moving towards our warm-up questions. Your question is, what would happen if you do not change the water in your flower pot for a very long time? Do you know what will happen? If we do not change the water in our flower pot or any area for a very long time, then water would become dirty. Okay? And water will start giving a foul smell. Okay? By this, what will happen? Mosquitoes also start breeding in that water, right? So, do you know what is the side effect or what is the bad implementation of water stagnation in our body, in our surrounding, right? Now, moving towards our today's aim. Our today's aim is to identify stagnated water and the causes and effects of stagnated water. Okay? Our keywords are stagnation, breeding, unhygienic, dengue, malaria, encephalitis, chikungunya. Okay? These all are the names of diseases that are caused by water stagnation. Okay? Now moving towards our activity part. In this picture you can see that water is deposited here, right? Because of blocked drainage or because of uh, potholes or broken road, the water is deposited. That's why what is happening? Water is becoming unclean and unattended for a long time, right? In this picture you can also see that the same problem, the water stagnation, right? So when water is left uncleaned for a very long time, what will happen? Mosquitoes start breeding there. Okay, in this picture you can see that mosquitoes are giving their larva, right? We can see water stagnation after the rains. Okay, rainwater collects in different places like open tubes, like blocked drains, like open utensils, right? Like potholes. In that places, rainwater collects. Okay, and when we leave them unclean for some time, what will happen? These all places give birth to different types of diseases, like, right? Other places where water can stagnate are old cans, tires, roofs, open container, etc. Okay, so these all are the bad effects of water stagnation, right? Now moving towards our activity discussion. Our question is, where do you see stagnated water? Do you know the places where we can see stagnated water? We can see stagnated water in different places like open drains, open tubes, potholes, open tanks. These all are the places where we can see stagnated water, right? Class, do you know what is stagnant? Stagnant means where the thing stops flowing or become trapped. Okay. So what is stagnated water? A stagnated water is that water which we when we leave the water unclean or unattended for a long time, then it will become a water stagnation. Clear? Now moving towards our next question. Our question is, what happens due to standing water? Do you know how standing water behaves? As we know that standing water provides a ground for different types of mosquitoes to breed. Okay. This results in the spreading of diseases if they bite us, right? If these mosquitoes bite us, then there will be chances of different types of diseases like malaria, like dengue, like Japanese encephalitis, right? So our next question is, what are the diseases that are caused due to standing water? This we had already discussed, right? What are the diseases that are caused? Diseases are dengue, malaria, Japanese encephalitis. Okay, these all are the diseases that are caused because of the standing water. Okay, when standing water is left for some time, what will happen? This results in the spreading of diseases like mosquitoes breed in at their mosquitoes start breeding in that standing water. Okay, this results in the diseases like dengue, malaria, Japanese encephalitis, or chikungunya. These type of diseases are caused because of standing water or water stagnation. Clear? Now moving towards our generalized question. Our question is, do you know what is water stagnation? Your answer will be, when water is kept open for a long time, unclean and unattended, then it is known as water stagnation. Okay? It happens in our surroundings where water can collect and remain for long period of time. Right? Like we can see in our surrounding, in the tires, in the old cans, in the open containers. In all these things, water can deposit and we are unable to clean them, right? So it will result in water stagnation. Okay? Water gets stagnated by rain, blocked drains, open storage of water. Okay? Our next question is the same. Why do you think that the water is stagnated? Do you know the reason behind this? Water gets stagnated by rain, blocked drains, open storage of water. Okay? Stagnation is unhygienic. This we know that, right? Stagnation is unhygienic. The water gets polluted. People fall sick if they drink that water, right? It is also a place where mosquitoes breed. Okay? This water is stagnated as there is no way for it to go out. That's why the water is stagnated, right? These mosquitoes cause diseases, as the diseases that we had discussed already, like malaria, dengue, etc. Right? And these diseases are harmful for us, right? So the next question is, what are the effects of water stagnation? Do you know what are the effects of water stagnation? We had learned already about what is water stagnation, what are the causes of water stagnation, right? Do you know what are the effects of water stagnation? Your answer will be, when water is stagnated, it causes a foul smell, right? On inhaling, the smell is harmful for our lungs also, right? Also, this stagnation causes the germs to spread in the air, right? That's why different types of diseases are caused. And this water stagnation also results in breeding of mosquitoes, right? And different types of diseases are formed because of the water stagnation, right? These different types of diseases are dengue, malaria, encephalitis, chikungunya. These all are the diseases that are caused by the water stagnation. So, do you know what are the effects of water stagnation? Clear to everybody? Now, this is your question of the day. Your question of the day is, name the diseases that are caused by stagnated water. Okay? You have to choose the diseases that are caused by the stagnated water. Clear? Now moving towards some high order thinking questions. Your question is the water in swimming pool or lakes stagnated? Pause the video and think about it firstly, that in swimming pool and in lakes, does water is stagnated or not? Okay? Water in swimming pools is cleaned regularly, right? So it does not allow mosquitoes to breed, right? But if a swimming pool is not cleaned regularly, it also turns into stagnated water, okay? And if the water of the swimming pool is left unclean, then it will result in water stagnation, okay? And mosquitoes start breeding in that water also. Clear? And in the case of lakes, lakes contain fishes, right? And those fishes eat away the mosquitoes' larvae or eggs, okay? So mosquitoes cannot breed or cannot survive there on the lakes, okay? So we can say that in swimming pool or lakes, water is not stagnated. If we are cleaning the swimming pool, then water is not stagnated in the swimming pool, okay? And in case of lakes, lakes contain fishes, right? And these fishes eat away the mosquitoes larvae or eggs, okay? That's why the water of the lakes is not a stagnated water. Clear? Clear this question? Now moving towards our next question. Our next question is, what are the effects of stagnated water on road? On the roads, on the roadside, you have seen the stagnated water, right? Do you know what are the different effects that you can see because of these stagnated water on roads? This is your homework question. You have to definitely answer the question of this, okay? In the comment section. I will see the answers, okay? Your question is, what are the effects of stagnated water on road? Okay? Now moving towards our homework part. Your homework for today is, you have to complete S1 and S2 in workbook, okay? And you have to complete your PQ 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your second notebook. I am repeating, you have to complete your PQs 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your second notebook, okay? But listen to me carefully. before completing your homework, firstly you have to read your content book, okay? And after that you have to do your homework, okay? And if you have any confusion, you can ask me your confusion in comment section, okay? Thank you class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.